Study and was brought you economics lesson third money and saving. In this lesson, I taught you about the loans, demand and taken by borrowers. लोन्स दो प्रकार से लोन प्राप्त होता है, दो लोन से प्राप्त होता है, एक फॉर्मल सेक्टर के द्वारा और दूसरा इनफॉर्मल सेक्टर के द्वारा। फॉर्मल सेक्टर के अंतर्गत बैंक एंड सरकारी कंपनी जाती है, आरबीआई सेक्टर आता है। एंड इनफॉर्मल सेक्टर के अंतर्गत मनी लेंडर, फ्रेंड्स, क्रेडिट आ जाते हैं। तो इनके बारे में हमें पढ़ाना है। लोन हमें कैसे प्राप्त होता है, किनके द्वारा प्राप्त होता है। ये देखिए आपका फॉर्मल सेक्टर क्रेडिट इन इंडिया पेज नंबर 425। फॉर्मल सेक्टर क्रेडिट इन इंडिया, the two categories of sources of credit are as under. Formal sector credit are loans and informal sector credit loans. Formal sector comprise banks and cooperative society. Informal sector may consist of money lenders, friends, relatives, traders, landowners, large farmers, etc. फॉर्मल सेक्टर के अंतर्गत बैंक और कोऑपरेटिव फर्म और इनफॉर्मल सेक्टर के अंतर्गत मनी लेंडर्स, फ्रेंड्स, रिलेटिव्स, ट्रेडर्स, लैंडलॉर्ड्स ये आते हैं। अब फीचर्स ऑफ फॉर्मल सेक्टर क्या है? क्रेडिट। दिस सेक्टर प्रोवाइड्स लोन्स कंपैरेटिवली एट द लोअर रेट एंड collateral is required to obtain loan. This sector works mainly under supervision of the RBI, Reserve Bank of India. It includes banks and cooperatives. RBI role of RBI in formal sector. RBI has major role providing the formal sector credit. Its role is stated in the following points. Focus on small ones. The RBI ensures that the banks give loan not just to profit making business and traders, but also to small cultivators, small scale industries, small borrowers. Obtain information. Critically, banks have to submit information to RBI on how much they are lending, to whom, at what interest rate, etc. Monitoring. The banks maintain a minimum cash balance out of the deposits they receive. The RBI monitors the banks in actually maintaining cash balance. फीचर्स ऑफ इनफॉर्मल सेक्टर क्रेडिट। अब फीचर्स उनके क्या हैं इनफॉर्मल के? अभी फॉर्मल के बताए, अब इनफॉर्मल के देखिए। दिस सेक्टर चार्ज हायर इंटरेस्ट रेट ऑन इट्स लोन मेनली फॉर टू रीजन. देयर इज नो ऑर्गेनाइजेशन टू सुपरवाइज द सेक्टर एंड collateral is not required to obtain loan. This could lead to increased debt with the borrower falling into a debt trap. Besides, the people who might wish to start an enterprise by borrowing from the informal sector may not do so because of high cost of borrowing. फॉर्मल एंड इनफॉर्मल क्रेडिट में डिफरेंस देखिए, who gets and what. Most of the loans that are taken by poor households in the urban areas are from informal sources. On the contrary to it, only 1/10 of the risk take their loans from informal sources. A similar pattern is also found in rural areas. In graph, it can be seen that 85% of the loans taken by poor households in the urban areas are from informal sources. If we make comparison of it with the rich urban household, it becomes clear that only 10% of their loans are from informal sources, while 90% are from formal sources. The similar pattern is also observed in rural areas. The rich household available cheap credit from formal lenders, whereas the poor household pay more because they have borrowed from informal sources. Thus, the formal sector still meets only about half of the total credit needs of the rural people. The remaining credit needs are met from informal sources. Need for extending of formal sector loan. Most loans from informal lenders carry a very high interest rate